In this video, I'll be showing you how you can give out gifts on your Kick stream. So if you are watching a stream on Kick app and you want to give out something to the creator or the streamer, that's what you need to do. So you can see here at the send message here, you see a store here. Just tap on the store there, and you can see there's a gift shop here. So you can choose anything here. You get me? You pay for it. You actually pay for it. So this is going to cost you 100 kicks. I mean a lot. This is going to cost you 1k, and the rest 1k is like 200 cedis. Let me just tap on that. And when you tap on that, you're going to have to add your card to it and then pay for it. It's not for free, just like I said. So I don't have anything, but let me try entering something. I don't have any balance in my account. So when I try to send, it will tell me I should purchase rather. And my balance is 0, so they'll be telling me, they'll put me through the process to purchase, and you can see this is it. You tap on it, you add your card if you have some, and then you continue with the purchase and you send it to your streamer. You can see add your debit card and the rest. I'm not going to do that, but that's it on how you send out gifts to your streamers on Kick. That's it. If you're new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.